All right, hello and welcome to day 4 of skill 3, where we're still learning how to multiply a fraction by another fraction, solve word problems, and being able to model all that good stuff. I'd made a mistake and kept in, this is for a different skill, so you're not going to watch the problem string. We're just going to be looking at this, creating a collection of arrays. You do right now need to have a copy of an array, this one specifically. So make sure that you have that, and we will be working on this page as well. So you'll be doing some writing here. You might need a notebook so that you can put some other kind of work down. That will be up to you. All right, so let's take a look at this array. What do you notice first? What might the area be? What might be some measurements? What is the area of the whole rectangle? What is the area of a small rectangle? So take a moment to kind of think about those things, and I'll break that down. And it's probably even better. Actually, no, don't even think about them. Write them down here. What do you see? What do you notice about the area of this rectangle? What do you notice about the area? How big is one of these small rectangles? So yeah, what's the area of the whole thing? What is the area of one of the small rectangles? And then I'll talk to you a little bit about it. So pause that and then write your information here. All right, so hopefully what you notice is we have one unit here, one linear unit, and this is one linear unit. So each of these is a 1 by 1 square, and there are 3 of them. So this whole thing is 3 square units. And if we look at one of these square units, we notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small rectangles up top and 6 on the bottom. So 1 equals 1/12 of a square unit. So there, 1/12. If we were to go ahead, you should actually have now 2 copies of this piece of paper, because I'm going to ask you to find some areas on this piece of paper. I think next time I'll probably have to remember to do a photocopy on this page. So we have, I want you to find a rectangle that has an area, or no, not an area. So I want you to find 1/2 by 1/2 rectangle. So go ahead and draw one out, a 1/2 by 1/2. Right, well, there's a bunch of them you can find. I'm just going to do it here. So here's a 1/2. And in this direction, we go over 3. That's a 1/2. So right here, I shouldn't have said rectangle. This is a 1/2 by 1/2 square, isn't it? So we have 1/2 and 1/2. Okay, what about I want you to draw an array that has an area of 1/2 square unit, 1/2 square unit. Well, I'm going to draw mine. It could be like right next door here, or to not confuse everybody here. So if I have a 1 by 1/2 array, this area in here, that would be 1/2 square unit. It could look here. You could have drawn something here. Or you could have even gone across. That would have been something interesting. You could have gone from here all the way down. Just as long as inside your rectangle there was what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/12, because 6/12 is 1/2. All right, what about an array with 1/4 square unit? Hopefully you know we already did that. We did that right here. So this is a 3/12, which is 1/4, so a 1/2 by 1/2. All right, now I am going to all right, what about if I drew this array right here? So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 2/6 by 1/2. What is the area in there? All right, so hopefully you figured out that this area is 2 out of 12. So 2/12 or 1 1/6 in here. Because this number here, 2/6, could also be 1/3, right? So in here is an area of 2/12 or 1/6. Whoa. All right, so now you need to get yourself a new one of these and a fraction card, okay? And I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do. I'm going to use the fraction that I just did, which was 1/2 times 2/6. And so when you get your fraction combination, you are going to write that fraction combination underneath your array. And then you're going to make, or the 1/3 grid, sorry, and then you're going to make the fraction array. So I'm going to make it here. Now, you need to outline it in black. So I have 1/2 by 2/6. And then you need to color it in. The color of your choice. I'm going to use red. And you need to label. So I have 1/2 by 2/6, and that equals 2/12. And then I write my equation here. Now, once you finish one, you need to go and show, talk to Mr. Light, talk to me, and depending on the time, I will probably give you another grid and another fraction to work on. And then we're going to hang your work up so that you can look at it and go from there. At the end, I will also give you some questions to answer in your packet. So again, you're going to be doing some arrays, you're going to be building them, answering some questions in the packet. All right, have fun. Bye.